What if you could give AI one simple idea, and it could build the foundation of an entire online course business? Not just the course, the website, the AI tutor, the quizzes, and even the marketing assets. That's exactly what CourseClawAI claims to do. But before you get excited, there's one important question. Does this actually save you time, or are you just getting another AI tool wrapped in a flashy sales page? Let's break it down. Quick disclosure, this video contains affiliate links, so I may earn a commission if you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. I also have not personally tested CourseClawAI, so this review is based on the vendor's published information. Here's where CourseClawAI gets interesting. Instead of starting with a blank screen, you give the AI agent a topic, or upload an existing PDF, docx, PowerPoint, or video. The vendor says the agent can then research the topic, create the curriculum, generate lessons, quizzes, assignments and assessments, and build the course website around it. So the basic idea is, one input, one AI agent, course business. And this isn't positioned as just another AI writer. CourseClawAI also advertises a student dashboard, payment integration, certificates, and an AI tutor designed around your course content. That matters because normally you'd be jumping between multiple tools just to get these pieces working together. There's another feature that could make this especially interesting for beginners. The vendor says you get access to 450 plus ready-made courses that can be imported and customized instead of creating everything from zero. And if you're a freelancer, there's also a commercial license advertised for creating courses and course websites for clients, subject to the license terms. Now here's the part one don't want you to miss. Course creation and course sales are two completely different things. CourseClawAI can potentially reduce the work required to build the product. But it cannot guarantee that people will want your course, that your marketing will convert, or that you'll make money. So I wouldn't look at this as a magic income button. I'd look at it as a course production shortcut. And that distinction is important. As for the current offer, the sales page lists $14.95 as a one-time launch price, compared with a stated regular price of $97 per month, and advertises a 30-day money-back guarantee. These are vendor-stated details and can change, so check the current checkout page before buying. So who is this actually for? If you're a coach, creator, educator, consultant, freelancer, or solopreneur with knowledge you can package into a digital product, this is where CourseClawAI becomes interesting. Especially if your biggest problem isn't having ideas, it's turning those ideas into something you can actually launch. My verdict: CourseClawAI has a compelling concept. The biggest potential advantage is having course creation, website setup, student tools, AI assistance and marketing assets in one workflow. The biggest limitation: AI can build the product faster. It can't build the demand for you. If you understand that difference, this offer becomes much easier to evaluate. If you want to see the current CourseClawAI offer, I'll put my affiliate link in the description. Check the current price, what's included, and any optional upgrades before purchasing. And if you want more honest reviews of AI tools for creators and online entrepreneurs, subscribe to Ethan Cole, AI Expert. Thanks for watching.